living on a budget, understanding on a shoestring. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, on a shoestring. Have you ever wondered what it means to live or do something on a shoestring? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase together. On a shoestring refers to doing something with a very limited or tight budget. Imagine trying to achieve something with as little money as possible. That's exactly what this phrase conveys. It's often used to describe startups that begin with minimal financial resources or individuals managing to travel or live on very little money. The phrase, on a shoestring, has a fascinating history. It's believed to have originated from the late 19th to early 20th century. The exact origin is a bit murky, but it suggests the idea of having so little money that one can't afford anything more than a shoestring. It paints a vivid picture of frugality and resourcefulness, doesn't it? To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. She managed to travel across Europe on a shoestring, staying in hostels and using public transportation. The startup was founded on a shoestring budget but has now grown into a successful company. Planning a wedding on a shoestring can be challenging, but it's definitely possible with some creativity. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. On a tight budget, with limited funds, economically, frugally. Understanding these synonyms can help you express the same idea in different ways, making your English more versatile. And that's a wrap on a shoestring. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about discovery and practice, so don't hesitate to use on a shoestring in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!